I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can use Uber for the first time. So when you first go into Uber, you'll be prompted with a account or a UI login just like this. Now, if I want to continue with my phone number, I can. I want to continue with Google, I can do that as well. Or I can continue with my email, you can do that as well. It's whichever one you prefer. You can also find your account if you already have an Uber account beforehand. I'm just gonna click on continue with my email. Now let me add in my email just like this. I'm gonna click on next, right? After that, let's just wait for the 4-digit code sent to my email right now. Let's just wait for it real quick. There you go. You can see this is the verification code is 5602 like this. Now let's just wait for it. Now you do need to enter your phone number, but of course it's optional. I'm just gonna click on skip and then enter in your name. I'm just gonna click on example and then name. I'm just gonna click on next again. After that, we do have to accept the terms and review and privacy notice. I'm just gonna click on accept. And then that's it. We're set up in Uber. You can enter in a pickup point. You can also do Uber Eats if you'd like that as well. But this is it. Essentially, you have been using Uber right now. So if I want to, for example, I want to add a ride, I'm gonna search for a pickup point here. For example, I want to go from Jakarta. So on my pickup point here, I'm gonna go to Jakarta. So for example, I live in Jakarta. Jakarta's like here's, and then I want to go to another part of Jakarta. So let's go to North Jakarta like this. Now you can see there's unfortunately no rides nearby because Uber is not supported in my country. But again, that is the easy way to use it. Just enter in your address, enter in where you want to go, and then find a ride. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.